It's time to make some money with YouTube ads. Welcome back, guys. My name is James and I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money using YouTube ads. Now, I've been working with YouTube ads for a while now, and during that time, I've learned quite a bit about marketing affiliate offers with YouTube ads. So today I decided to share with you some of that knowledge and share some of my personal methods and show you how you can run your own YouTube ad campaign. I'll show you how to properly create a YouTube ad, how to use a simple bridge page, and if you're worried about not having a video for your YouTube ad campaign, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you how you can easily get a professional YouTube ad for as little as $30 or less, as well as tell you how I create the YouTube ads that I use. So you could be a complete beginner when it comes to YouTube ads, and by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to know in order to promote an affiliate offer using YouTube ads. Also, if you do enjoy content or videos like this and you want to see more videos that are packed full of helpful tips, tricks, and money-making methods, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, with that being said, let's quickly take a look at the offer that we're going to be promoting in today's video. For today's video, we're going to be working with a Maxbounty offer, and we're going to be working with this one here, this Pretty Litter subscription service that they offer on Maxbounty. It's a pretty interesting product if you take a look. Basically, it's a type of litter that will show you what kind of health conditions your cat has when it uses the litter. So based on different things, if it has like high alkalinity or this and that, it'll have different color spots on the litter from when they use the litter. So that's basically the product we're going to be promoting. If you take a look at the actual details here on Maxbounty, you'll see that it's only for US traffic only. That's fine because we're going to be targeting US traffic when we do our paid ads. It pays $9.60 per lead. Now there is two versions of this. You can do this version here where you get a rev share subscription, or you can do a per lead. It's up to you which one you want to promote. I'm just going to do the per lead one, but you could also try doing both and see which one pays more or is better for you. That's also a nice thing is that they do have this this discount code right here, which we are going to be using to promote the product. That's always nice when they have that kind of stuff. It makes it easier to promote it. The EPC is 38 cents per click, which is not bad. It's not the best, but it's fine. That's really it for this one. This is a good product, and it is something that's interesting to promote. That's why we're going to be working with it in this video. Okay, that's the offer that we're going to be promoting. Let's quickly take a look at the video we're actually going to use to promote this product. It's not a long video. It's only about like 37 seconds. I'll play this right now so you can see it. Introducing Pretty Litter, a new product. And then afterwards, I'll explain how I did it. Help you keep real-time tabs of your cat's health. A minute or two after use, Pretty Litter will begin to change to one of 4 colors. These colors will give you an accurate indication of your cat's health, allowing you to quickly and easily know whether your cat's health is at risk. Instantly know whether your cat suffers from urinary tract infections, bladder crystals, kidney stones, metabolic acidosis, or blood in urine. Don't take a chance with your cat's health. Click to learn more on how you can easily order today. And if you order today with the code HAPPY20, you will save 20% off your first order and get a free cat toy. Okay, so that's just the video there that I created. It was really simple to do, guys. I'll explain it right now. What I just did was I simply went over to their website here on the landing page for the product we're promoting, Pretty Litter. And if you scroll down here, they have this video right here that they created. And basically what I did was I took that video and I used the footage or some of the footage from that video that I edited out. And then using Camtasia, I just basically edited it and I added some voiceover and then added some music and then added some text and some effects. If you can't do this yourself or you're not comfortable doing it, that's not a problem. What you can simply do is just go over to Fiverr and then pay someone to create a short video for you, something similar to what I just created myself. To be honest, guys, it shouldn't cost you more than like $20, $30. I mean, there's even someone right here doing it for $13 Canadian. So it's not terribly expensive to get a video like that created if you can't do it yourself, okay? Just do a simple search for like YouTube video ad and you'll get a ton of results come up. And you just go take a look and you find somebody, just pay them and they'll make the video for you. That's really an easy way of doing it, guys. And again, like I said, it's not terribly expensive. Okay, so now that we have a video that we're going to use to promote the product, next we need is a quick landing page or a very basic landing page. And we need this because Google does not like when you direct link to affiliate offers from paid advertisements. So we need to use a bridge page or a landing page to get around that. It's really simple to do, guys. And this is the landing page that I actually created for this campaign. I'll show you how to set this all up in a minute. It was really easy to do. And to build it, what I did was I just used a free trial account over a get response, and I used their landing page builder to create that landing page. And it only took me like 15 minutes or so to create that landing page. What I'll do is I'll include a link down below where you can sign up for a free trial account account from GetResponse. It's a great service, guys, something you should try. They also have a ton of features, not just the landing page builder, like email automation and stuff like that. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. You just click the link down below, sign up, and then you can start using this service. Also, guys, just a head up, that link that I'm going to be giving you is an affiliate link. So if you do click the link and then you purchase a plan after the 30 days have expired, after your trial account is over, I do earn a commission. It doesn't cost you anything, but I do earn a commission. Anyways, let me show you quickly how I set that all up. Okay, so here I am logged into my trial account that I used to create that landing page. And if you've logged into your account, if you signed up for a trial account, just click on menu here, go over to landing pages. And this will be all your landing pages are. And I simply just created a new landing page. I'm not going to do it over again, but I'll show you this one real quick. I'm just going to go to edit, so you get an idea of how I actually created it. Wait for this to load up here for the landing page editor to load. And this is the landing page right here with all the elements. And all I simply did was to create this landing page, guys. I just created a screenshot of the first still of that video I created here. So I just used this, and then I used Photoshop, and I simply just added this button over here so it may look like it's a video that's ready to be played, that's paused. Because the goal of this whole landing page, guys, is it's supposed to make them think as if they're about to watch a video to learn more about the product. Okay, and then this image here, what I did was I created this image, and then I simply double clicked on it. And for the link here, I just put my affiliate link. So what you want to do, guys, you want to create a landing page that's similar to this, guys. You want to make it look like they're about to watch a video, but when they click on it, it takes them to the affiliate offer, to the landing page where they can read more about it and find out more information. The same thing with this button right here. The reason why I didn't say watch video for this is because I want them, some people might be ready to order, just like, you know what, I don't care, I just want to purchase. So I want them to know that they can click on here to get Pretty Litter. And both these links are the same links, it doesn't matter. Some people will click on here because they want to watch the video. It's going to take them to the affiliate offer. Some will click on this because they're ready to purchase or learn more, and it'll take them to the affiliate offer. And again, with the headline, watch the video below to discover how Pretty Litter works. Introducing the world's smartest kitty litter. Basically, again, like I said, I just want them to click on that and be taken to the actual sales page, and then let that sales page do its job. They've spent a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of research building that up and making it so it's something that converts. All you want to do is simply just get them there as quickly as possible with the least amount of friction as possible. Don't let them think too much. Okay, that's the goal of this sort of bridge page. I'm not trying to really sell them too much. All I'm trying to do is get them to click through and go to that landing page. So then they see the sales page and it does the work for me. And you might need to add this at the bottom here, the privacy terms, disclaimer, contact with links. If you want, you could just basically just go to the actual landing page and find their links to their privacy and just link directly to their page. And then just make it open in a new window. Okay, so don't open in the same tab, open in a new tab. So they click on it, opens a new tab. They can read the privacy information from the actual landing page itself. So their privacy and everything like that right there. Okay, it's just that way you can, because you might need that for sometimes Google will make you add that stuff. It'll disapprove it if you don't have that information. Okay. So that's the landing page. And like I said, guys, you do need to use a landing page or a bridge page for this method. Google does not like direct linking to affiliate offers from paid ads. Anyway, so we've gone over the offer, we've gone over the video, and we've gone over the landing page and how to use it and how to set it up. The next thing we need is a traffic source. One more thing, guys, about that landing page that you need to do is you need to make sure that you add your affiliate links. So if you go back over here to the landing page here, when I double click on it, you can see in this icon here, when you click on here, this link URL is where you put your affiliate link. And to get your affiliate link, you go back to the offer and you click on build tracking link, and you just create the link right there and copy it. Okay, and then you just paste that link right in there. If you want, you can shorten this link and make it look nicer using something like Bitly to cloak your traffic. That's up to you. I would suggest you do it. I didn't do it for this example, I just was throwing it together real quick. But when I'm running my campaigns, I do cloak my traffic, and I suggest you do that as well, okay? Anyway, so the next thing we need is a traffic source, okay? And for that, we're gonna be using YouTube video ads, obviously. And YouTube ads do really well. Video ads do an amazing job of selling affiliate products. They work really, really well, guys. And if you haven't done any testing or ever used any affiliate advertisement with video ads, you're missing out, okay, guys? It's something that you're gonna wanna try, guys. It is a really good way to promote products. Okay, let me quickly show you how to set up the ad campaign. The first thing you're gonna need, guys, obviously is you're gonna need an account at Google Ads. So you're gonna go over to ads.google.com and open an account if you don't already have one. If you do have one, you're just gonna go and log into your account, like I've done right here, and you're gonna go and you're gonna click on Add New Campaign. Okay, and this is where we're actually gonna be creating the YouTube ad that we're gonna be using to promote this product that we're promoting today. All right, and we're going to select create a campaign without a goals guidance. You can, if you want, do a different one, but I'm going to do without. And we're interested today in video ads. So click on video, and we want custom video campaign. Don't worry about any of these pre-done settings or anything like that. We're going to go with custom video campaign and click on continue. And the next thing we have to do, this is where we actually start setting up the ad itself. Okay, the first thing we need to do is give our campaign a name. So we're just going to call this one, I don't know, pretty litter video YouTube ads, something like that. We want the bidding strategy to be cost per view, so that's what we want. Campaign total, how much we want to spend total overall, just put $50. You can put how much you want to put there. End date, I'm just going to do for 7 days. And networks here, we're going to choose where we want them. We don't want the video partners. This one here, it's always low quality traffic. We just want these ones, videos and search results. That's all we want. And for countries, because again, if you look back at the offer here, guys, the only traffic allowed is from United States. So we have to go and limit it just to United States. If you want, you could even like target like specific counties and stuff like that, but we're not going to do that using advanced search. And for language, we want people speaking English because the video's in English, but if you had a different language, you could just put whatever you wanted. And the next thing we have to do is inventory type. Now, this is where you can choose a type. This just basically means what type of channel, like, okay, expanded inventory, like channels where they might swear a lot or have more violent content, you could have that. Standard is just like normal. And then limited is going to be very corporate and very conservative. So no quote unquote bad words or anything like that, or questionable images. I just leave it on standard, but you can play around and try different types if you want. The next thing we have to do is we have to set up the actual ad group. You don't really have to worry about excluded types and labels. I mean, if you want, you could exclude live streaming videos and embedded videos if you want. It's up to you. You can do some A/B testing and see if that makes a difference. I never play with this at all. I just leave it as it is. Additional settings. We want to change the devices here because, again, we just want specific devices. We don't want mobile phones. We don't want tablets. We don't want TV screens. We just want computers. And the reason why is simply because people on computers are more likely to take out a credit card and make a purchase. It's not saying that people on mobile phones don't make purchases. It's just that sometimes you might be on a mobile phone while you're on the bus or, you know, at work or something, and you don't have the time to actually go and make an order and purchase something. Usually when somebody's sitting on a computer, they're more likely to take out a credit card and make a purchase, or sign into PayPal and make a purchase, okay? So I always just do that. But again, you can try these things and do some A/B testing and see if you get better results. The next thing is frequency capping. This is important, guys. You want to do this. You want to limit it. And basically this is how many times per day somebody will see your ad. You can do 2, 3, 5, it's up to you. I'm just gonna put 2, it's up to you. And cap view frequency again, you wanna limit this to around 2 as well, okay? Because again, you don't want like the same user, let's say the same user keeps seeing your ad and he keeps clicking on the ad and not purchasing, it's just wasting your money. So you wanna limit how many times they can do that, okay? Ad schedule, if you want, you could do some scheduling where you could do it during specific times. I'm just going to leave it like that and just let YouTube take care of it. But if you know that there was a specific time that your target audience was online, that's when you could target them, okay? The next thing we have to do is create our ad group. Let's start by giving it a name. And again, we'll just give it something like, I don't know, pretty litter, I don't know, video ad group, something like that. That's fine. Next thing we have to do is go to demographics. Now this is where you can target specific gender, ages and stuff like that. I'm going to target females, and simply because from previous experiences with this product and promoting it, I found that women do convert better on this offer. I didn't do any testing with age groups or parental statuses or anything like that, but I'm going to target women, and that's who I'm targeting for this ad campaign. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is target our audiences. So the type of person that we want to show our ads to. To do this is very simple. We're just going to do a search here and we're just going to type in cats. And for that, we're going to look for anything that would be related to somebody that might be, would own a cat or be, you know, a good cat owner type thing. So we're just going to go like this and scroll down and we're going to look for sort of types of people. For example, cat lovers, that's a good one. We don't want pet lovers. We don't want dog lovers. Cat lovers is a good one. And you're just going to take a look. Recently added a dog, adding cats soon. We don't want that because again, they haven't got a cat yet. And the chances of them wanting this product is probably going to be less. Recently added cat to a household. That's a good one as well because they might be a new cat owner. They might be not sure whether or not their cat is healthy or something. So that is good, a good type of audience to target. Okay, so that's basically what we're gonna do for the audiences. You could do some more searches and stuff like that. I'm just gonna target these two right here because that's fine. Next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down here. Now you have keywords. You could do keywords, you could do topics, you could do specific placements. I'm not going to do that. Like you could, for example, if you knew a YouTube channel or something very specific that you wanted to target for this product, something like, you know, one of those cat TV channels where they're playing videos for cats might be a good one to target. Because again, you know, the type of person that has a cat that's going to go and dedicate putting on a TV show just for the cat is going to be very caring and the type of owner that's going to spend that bit of extra money to make sure their cat is healthy. You can do some A/B testing on that. I didn't actually do that for this campaign when I was testing it, but that is something I would suggest that you could try. Okay. Okay, the next thing we have to set up is our bidding. How much you want to pay per view. Okay, I always my go-to amount is just 5 cents per view. That's the maximum you will pay. It doesn't mean you're going to pay 5 cents for every time someone clicks on your ad or views the ad. It just means that that's the maximum that you're going to pay. A lot of times it's going to be like 1 cent or 2 cents, or it's going to average around like 2-3 cents. It depends what you're targeting, of course, but that's just your maximum. My go-to default is just 5 cents CP. Okay, now we've got our audience set up and we've done our bidding and everything. Now we have to create the actual video. You need to paste the link to the video itself. I'm not going to show you how to like upload the video and stuff like that. That's very simple. But anyways, you're just going to basically just upload the video to your YouTube account and just make it a private video so only people that can see that have the link can view it. So it's not public. If you want, you can make it public. I just put it so you need to know the URL to view it. And you need to select the ad format. Now there's two types you can select here. You got the skippable in-stream ads. So those are the ones that are shown just before video or during content. And then you have video discovery ads, which are shown, let me just put on desktop here because we're not targeting mobile, are the ones shown in the suggestions. I suggest you start with skippable in-stream ads. That's the one I usually work with. You can try both and see which one works better for you. I'm going to choose skippable in-stream ad because that's what I like working with. Okay, and the next thing is you need to put in the destination URL or final URL, so where they're going to go when they click on the ad. Do that simply is you're going to go and get the URL for your landing page. Let's go right here. Let me copy that. And you're simply just going to paste in the URL to the landing page right here, okay? That's that right there. Display URL, you can put whatever you want here, but it has to match the domain. I'm just going to leave it. That's fine. Now, if you want, you could add a call to action. I don't really like using a call to action, but you could try doing some A/B testing. I think it just doesn't look good. I just want people to click on the ad. That's it. That's it for that. And if you want, you could upload an image for the thumbnail. So when it's if you're doing video discovery ad, you can choose a thumbnail. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to leave it the way it is and give your ad a name. So we're just going to call this one, I don't know, Pretty Litter Tutorial. That's fine. And when you're happy with everything, the way it looks and how it's set up, just click on create campaign. Don't worry about the advanced options here, guys. You don't need to work with that unless you want to do some tracking and stuff like that. I'm not going to. Click on create campaign, and it's going to review the campaign and give you a summary of the actual ad campaign. You can just click down here, click here, and see all the information. Just make sure you're happy with everything, and you're just going to click on continue to campaign. Okay, so that's it. Your ad is all set up and ready to go. It might take a little bit of time for your ad to actually go live because it has to be reviewed and approved by Google. After it's been approved, you'll start getting traffic to your videos and start getting clicks on your affiliate offers. So that's the method, guys. If you haven't worked with Google Ads before or Google Video Ads before, I hope this video helped you and you can get started and start making some money. With that being said, guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did like this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.